Hello everyone! Let's play a fun game today with letters and yummy fruits and veggie. Look, we have some fruit and vegetable piece. Can you help me to match the correct letter? So let's get started. We start with this one. What's that? It's a beetroot. Can you say that? Beetroot. Beetroot start with letter B. Which letter we should put on? Here is the letter B, so we put on here. Next we have a eggplant. Eggplant start with letter E. So we put on eggplant on letter E. This one, it's a red chili. Red chili start with letter R. So where it is letter R? It's there. So we put on the top of the letter R. How about this one? It's your favorite veggie. This is carrot. Speak with me. Carrot. Carrot start with letter C. Here is letter C. Next we have a tomato. Tomatoes are red in color. So tomato start with letter T. Where it is letter T? It's there. So we stick the tomato with letter T. So next we take this one. It's a capsicum. Speak with me. Capsicum. Capsicum start with letter C. Where it is letter C? Here. Carrot and capsicum both are start with letter C. Next we have a cabbage. Cabbage is also start with letter C. So we put on upon the letter C. We have three veggie that start with letter C. Cabbage, capsicum and carrot. Next we take this one. What's that? This is potato. Potato start with letter P. Where it is letter P? It's right there. So we put upon the letter P. How about this one? It's a coriander leaf. Coriander leaf is also start with letter C. So we put on here. Now we take this one. It's a cherry. Speak with me. Cherry. Cherry start with letter C. So where we should put? Here. We have many fruits and veggies that start with letter C. Do you know about this fruit? It's the kiwi. Kiwi start with letter K. So where it is letter K? It's right there. So we put on upon the letter K. What's that? You know? Yeah, it's a watermelon. Watermelon start with letter W. So we put on upon the letter W. Next fruit we have a blueberry. Blueberry start with letter B. So where it is letter B? A, B. So we put upon the letter B. What's that? This is onion. Onion start with letter O. Can you help me to find the letter O? Hey, it's there. So we put top of the letter O. Next fruit we have a orange. Orange start with letter O. So where we should put? One more time we put upon the letter O. Do you know which fruit we have? It's a pomegranate. Speak with me. Pomegranate. Potato and pomegranate both start with letter P. So we put upon the letter P. Okay, now we take this one. What's that? It's a pumpkin. Can you speak with me? Pumpkin. Pumpkin is also start with letter P. So where we should put this veggie? Upon the letter P. Now we take this fruit. It's a pear. Speak with me. Pear. Pear start with letter P. So where we should put this fruit? upon the letter P. Now the time to take this one. It's a grapes, green grapes. Grapes are sometimes in purple and red in color. So grapes start with letter G. Where we should put this grapes puzzle piece upon the letter G. So we put it here. The next we have a banana. Speak with me. Banana. Great job. Bananas are found sometimes yellow and sometimes green in color. Banana start with letter B. Where we should put banana? Top of the letter B. I think you know about this fruit. What's that? Tell me. It's a pineapple. Pineapple start with letter P. Great job. So where we should put this pineapple? Upon the letter P. We have many fruits and veggies that start with letter P. Now we take this one. It's a P. P start with letter P again. So we should put on upon the letter P. Next we have a dragon fruit. Can you speak with me? Dragon fruit. Yes, well done. Dragon fruit start with letter D. Where it is our letter D? It's there. So we put upon the letter G. Now we take this one. It's a blackberry. Speak with me. Blackberry. So where we should put this blackberry? Upon the letter B. Now we take this fruit. You must know apple start with letter A. Well done. So where we should put? Upon the letter A. Now we have left only one fruit puzzle piece. This is strawberry. Strawberry start with letter S. So let's find the letter S here. So we put on top of the letter S. Today we'll learn fruits and veggie first letter. Let's do one more time. Watermelon start with letter W. This is red chili. Red chili start with letter R. Strawberry start with letter S. This is tomato. Tomato start with letter T. Grapes start with letter G. Kiwi. Kiwi start with letter K. This is eggplant. Eggplant start with letter E. And here is dragon fruit. Dragon fruit start with letter D. And apple start with letter A. Orange and onion start with letter O. Pea, pineapple, pear, pumpkin, pomegranate and potato. All these fruits and veggies start with letter P. Now we take this one. Here, cherry, coriander leaves and cabbage, capsicum and carrot. All these start with letter C. And we have many more that start with letter B. This is blackberry, banana, blueberry and beetroot. All the veggie and fruit start with letter B. I hope you enjoyed the class and learned more. Okay kids, see you soon in next video. Bye bye. Take care.